Hey everybody, Ian Atha here, Keller Williams Real Estate here in Montrose, Colorado. Beautiful summer we're having here in August, and I'm here to present you the stats and numbers and what the heck the Montrose real estate market is doing this month, and looking at data from July. So let's jump right into this. So essentially, real estate agents, lenders, title companies, everyone in the industry, mortgage lenders, we're all kind of reeling from all the fluctuations in the mortgage rates. So people are trying to get a grasp and a hold on what the heck is happening in this market. And of course, looking at data to provide that. So, what's really the kingpin in all of this is mortgage rates. Huge stat which came out in July, which we have in the data, is that unit sales, so home selling in Montrose, decreased 46% from July of 2021. So that's a pretty massive drop. If you just isolate that number on its own without any kind of explanation, you could essentially say, yeah, the market's crashing. But let me explain that in a second. Mortgage rates, if you look at May, we're at around 5.3%. And then going into mid-June, they shot up to 6%. Meanwhile, that same middle of June time period, you had the Federal Reserve announce, hey, inflation's out of control. We're raising, the lending rate by, 75 basis points. So you had essentially a market shock and a hard stop with buyers in Montrose going, what the heck is going on? Gas prices were at 5% or $5 a gallon. Now they're back down to 4, by the way. But you just had all these factors essentially, hitting buyers, in the face. So what that translated into was then July's numbers. So unit sales being down that 46%. So that's my interpretation of what's been happening and why that happened. When we experienced it here on our team as well. Literally, it was a 2-week lull. The last 2 weeks, buyers have stopped looking at homes, showing stopped, offers stopped. With that said, though, things have picked right back up again. So what's weird is that another number is that homes in July sold for 103% of asking price. So if you're asking, $500,000, that home sold for $515,000. So you had homes selling for 3% over asking price, which is wild because anyways, I'm just giving that data throw out there to say that yes, the market's still strong. Unit sales are a lag indicator, whereas under contracts are a lead indicator. Since that lull in June, over the last 5 weeks, approximately, you've had about 20 homes going under contract per week, which is very healthy for the Montrose market. So we're even seeing a little bit of multiple offer stuff again, not crazy, but we've seen a little bit of that happen, nothing like before. But long story short, the market's still extremely strong, especially with homes selling for, in July, 103% of asking price, and with pending sales still about 20 per week, which is a normal, healthy number of homes going under contract per week for our market. These are all kind of like 2019 levels. So I know I hit you guys with the clickbait headline with a 46% drop, which is true in units. I expect, even though that was July, I expect August's numbers to be very robust and sales to be very strong. So that's the long and short of it. I hope you guys are doing great. And if you like this video, go ahead and share it with a friend. Appreciate serving you all and hope you're having a fantastic month. Thank you. Bye.